This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs not stick to pan. First, select the right cookware. A quality non-stick pan is ideal, or a properly seasoned cast iron skillet works wonders. Always start with a clean pan, free from any previous cooking remnants. Then, preheat your pan over medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This crucial step ensures even heat distribution, preventing cold spots where eggs might cling. Once your pan is preheated, it's time for the fat. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of butter, olive oil, or your preferred cooking oil. Swirl it around to ensure the entire cooking surface is thoroughly coated. This creates a crucial barrier between the egg and the pan. Remember, consistent medium-low heat is key. Too high, and your eggs will stick and burn. Too low, and they won't cook properly. Now, gently crack your eggs directly into the prepared pan. Avoid overcrowding the pan, as this can lower the temperature and lead to uneven cooking. Allow the egg whites to set completely before attempting to flip or remove them. For scrambled eggs, stir gently and continuously. When ready, use a thin, flexible spatula to easily slide the perfectly cooked eggs from the pan, ensuring no sticking. After cooking, remove your eggs from the pan right away. Leaving them in the cooling pan can sometimes cause them to re-adhere. For easy cleanup and to maintain your pan's nonstick properties, wash it immediately with warm, soapy water. This prevents any residue from hardening. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your kitchen experience. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.